Tomato paste. 28-36% solid content.
Every bottle of ketchup begins here, on a commercial tomato farm, where thousands of acres are planted with a single purpose: to produce the world's most consumed condiment.
Engineered for disease resistance. High yield. Uniform ripening. Stage. Nursery propagation.
Versatile.
Duration. 3 to 4 weeks.
These aren't ordinary tractors. GPS-guided machines plant each seedling with centimeter-level precision. Because in industrial farming, consistency at the start determines quality at the end.
Growing period. 90-120 days. Fertilization.
Nitrogen.
Phosphorus, potassium.
Processing tomatoes are bred differently from what you find in a grocery store.
Less water.
Thicker pulp, less
red
water,
color.
and a deeper red.
Bricks.
Every trait engineered for concentration, not
One
fresh
machine
eating.
Average hundreds of tons per day. Plant pulled. Tomatoes separated. Debris removed.
From the moment tomatoes leave the field, the clock is running. Most factories require the fruit to arrive and enter processing within just a few hours of harvest.
Processing plant.
Before a single tomato is unloaded, the entire truck is weighed.
Noted.
Every kilogram is recorded. This is how factories track raw material intake and calculate batch yields.
Below 4.5 are ejected.
Reject. Too much mold.
Affirmative. Finalizing paperwork now.
The first stop inside the factory is the water flume, a long channel of rushing water that carries tomatoes forward while pulling dirt, stones, and loose debris away from the batch.
AI vision system detects green, rotten, damaged, foreign objects.
That burst of compressed air happens thousands of times per minute. An AI vision system flags every tomato that doesn't meet spec and removes it before it ever reaches the crusher.
Whole tomato. Crushed mash.
This step is called the hot break, and it's one of the most critical decisions in ketchup production. Heating the mash rapidly to over 85 degrees locks in the enzymes that give ketchup its thick, stable texture. What enters the pulper as a rough, seedy mash exits as something completely different.
Refined
A
pulp.
smooth, refined pulp, free of skins and seeds, ready to be concentrated into paste. Inside the vacuum evaporator, water is removed under low pressure and low heat, preserving flavor while pushing the solid content from around 5% all the way up to 36%. Tomato paste, water, sugar, vinegar, salt, and a spice blend that most brands have never made public. The exact ratio of these 6 ingredients is what separates one ketchup from another. The mixture cooks at up to 90 degrees for as long as an hour.
15-60 minutes.
By the time it leaves the
Flavors
kettle,
merged,
the
microbes
sugar is
destroyed.
fully dissolved, the flavors have merged, and any remaining microorganisms have been destroyed. Viscosity is measured precisely because ketchup has to behave in a very specific way. Too thin and it runs off the food. Too thick and it won't pour. The target range is narrow and non-negotiable. Every batch produced in this factory is tested against international food safety standards before it moves to the filling line. No batch ships without clearance from this lab. Glass bottles start as 3 raw materials: silica sand, soda ash, and limestone. Melted together at 1500 degrees, shaped in a mold and cooled. The entire process takes minutes.
Celsius.
Each cap is applied with a calibrated torque. Not too tight, not too loose. The seal has to survive shipping, storage, and the consumer's first open, all without failing.
Warehouse aisle 14, forklift 5 requesting pickup. Copy that. Proceeding to aisle 14. Clear the way.
Once sealed, labeled, and packed into cartons, every unit receives a barcode that ties it to its production batch, filling date, and destination. From this point, the system knows exactly where every bottle goes. The pallets that took hours to build are loaded in minutes. Each truck carries an optimized route, timed to hit distribution centers, supermarkets, and restaurant chains across the region. For export, the process extends across oceans. Containers are loaded at port, tracked at sea, and cleared through customs before reaching shelves in over 70 countries worldwide.
Tomato 12, paste, and ketchup, and your table.
From a seed planted in a field, through machines, heat, pressure, and precision, to this moment. What took weeks of industrial process ends in 3 seconds at a dinner table. If you enjoy the process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.